Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to unarchive Instagram Reels. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of unarchiving your Instagram Reels. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Step 3. Look for the 3 horizontal lines at the top right and tap on them. Step 4. Choose Archive from the menu options. Step 5. Press the Stories Archive menu at the top. Step 6. Select Posts Archive from the options. Step 7. Look for the specific reel you want to unarchive and open it. Step 8. Tap the 3 dots located at the top right corner. Step 9. Select the Show on Profile option. Step 10. Confirm your selection to unarchive the reel. That's it. You've successfully unarchived your Instagram reel. Now it will be visible on your profile for others to enjoy. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks.